So we're out here at Forsyth at the Old Charlie's restaurant. The owners of the Diamonds restaurant in Decatur bought this, acquired this building. The new owners of the building needed to get this parking lot redone. They're gonna be redoing this building to start their restaurant. We got the contract to mill off 2 inches of this and repave it. The condition of the parking lot when we got the job was deteriorated, probably 20, 30-year-old asphalt. There was a few small potholes, but it was starting to alligator, and really it was just a perfect candidate for a quick, easy resurfacing project. The base of an asphalt parking lot is everything, and the base on this project was really nice. This parking lot was a great shape to just mill and overlay and, add 20 to 25 years to this parking lot. Proud to be part of Paving in Forsyth. We do a lot of work here. This is kind of a staple piece. We hope that this brings to the community what we brought in. I mean, they're getting a new building, they're gonna be moving a new restaurant in the area, now they're gonna have a new parking lot to park on. Dunn's been a great partner in Forsyth area, and this is kind of a staple for us, a new business in the area, a new restaurant in the area. We want a staple of our names on this. We're tied to this. Forsyth is an expanding community, and we'd love to build a parking lot for everyone.